again. What's that mean?
It means that... Oh! Sorry! I was not prepared for the smelly smells of reekberries. You have done so well. The Great Wolf Spirit proclamates that it is time for you to return home. Time to come along now.
See you later.
Let's head on home.
Only if Brinley leads us.
Bear to the bone. Bye-bye. Be excellent to one another. Cuddly Dad!
Fare thee well. See you later. Bye.
Violet, Wiley, congratulations to you.
We make a great team. I make great costumes. Oliver makes good... Ooh. Huh? Oh, what's happening now?
It tickles.
I told you.
You have each shown bravery. You are all now part of the GreatWolfPack.
I guess you're all brave like me now.
Yes, you are.
Part of a pack? I've never been in a pack before.
A pack? But I'm more of a lone.
Go back!
I'm in a pack.
So cool.
What was that?
Never mind. I think a pack needs to howl. What do you say?
Oh, I hope to see you all again the next time the Great Wolf Spirit sees that someone needs help.
Tell the Great Wolf Spirit it can count on us. We'll always be ready.
Oh, I remember. We were supposed to tell you, Wishes sends us best wishes.
Oh.
These wolf stones are really cool.
Do you imagine we'll have additional adventures?
We better.
Yeah, Wiley owes me a sandwich.
I'm down for more adventures, as long as I don't have to sniff any more reekberries.
You embedded your old factory organ across the mare's abdomen.
He means you rubbed your nose in the mayor's tummy. Hey, look! It's our families!
Hey, is your family here, Wiley?
Yeah, there they are.
Wiley, hey, we wondered where you went.
Well, how was your first day in Spiritwater Forest?
Mom, Dad, I want you to meet my new friends.
It's very nice to meet you.
We're a pack now.